What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Jared, aka the Road Vet here, and we got a nice vet lineup. We are at Cars and Coffee Six Flags for the month of June here in San Antonio. So we're gonna get the lineup, we're gonna get some drone footage, we're gonna get a bunch of rides in the video, so y'all stay tuned. Don't leave until y'all seen the very end of the video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel, guys, because I appreciate it and every bit helps. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to the madness and let's just look at these cars.
Just park right here. What's going on, man?
It's Eddie, it's our boy. ZR1, bruh, ZR freaking 1. Oh. Bruh, ZR1, son. He was in our last video. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. As you can see, the sunrise is happening. Here's some of the lineup that we've got so far. Christian, Roel, we got Keen, Rod, got a bunch of people that have already started to show up. Out of the LSC group, at least. There's Mark. But a vet lineup, I'll make it over there in a sec, but we just got a ton of cars coming in. Some more Vet action, C8, nice C6, Z06, red, love it, Grand Sport, C7, another Z06 and a C7 configuration. There's the squad, Christian, Keen, Rod, Roel. Squad game, boys. Squad game. Donovan around here somewhere too, but oh man, I like that S2000. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. A McLaren right there. It's a nice McLaren. And the Porsche next to it. Here's the back of the McLaren and the Porsche. Wow. Look at that. Look at those buckets. Man, they look like a race car. Yep, all that suede Alcantara, that's nice. Got our nice R8. And you got some of the newer style Ferraris. Got a red. There's the gray one right there. Oh, we got a nice couple GTRs. There's a couple Supra, older Supra, Skyline, Lancer, Evo. That's pretty nice. Got some nice Lambo action over here. Some more Ferrari action. What's we got over here? Oh yeah, LS3 swap. Look at that clean. That's clean. And this is a nice piece of machinery as well. Cobra. That's nice. That's nice. Alright guys, so we're at the Mopar section. Got SpongeBob SquarePants. Just showing a little bit of the action for everyone. You know, we got a little bit of everything in the video. A little bit of everything. Like the wall behind us. Look at the wall. Looks cool, the rock wall. But as you can see, Mopar section over here. Shout out Mopar girl if you watch this. We got your section in the vid. There she is, right there. Some demon actions, because there's two. We got the Datsun, we got Datsun. Datsun right there. 300ZX slammed to the ground. Real nice, real nice. Some nice Viper action going on. Holy smokes, this bro's got freaking nitrous bottles in the back at Clayton V10. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. That's wild. That is wild. Some nice Supras. We got a nice little rat rod right here. That looks nice. Oh boys, I know y'all saw it earlier in the drone shot before I had to take it down because they said it's not allowed here, but Sonic Blue, I think, Terminator color. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. Look at that. Next to the Shelby GT500. But oh man. Love the wheels. Gosh, man, them Terminators. Those Terminators. And the Shelby next to us is really nice too. I like it too. Super nice vet as well. I think he's in our group too. Comes out sometimes. You got the parachute.
Alright, let's go start up some fights.
High horsepower. High horsepower. Sun coming out now, but look at that. Look at that. Look at it. Oh, that sun's coming out. Another Shelby GT500. You got a Camaro ZL1.
Yeah. They're just trying to consolidate all of them. Alright, dude, honestly, it's been over 6 years now. I don't remember. It's just like,
CTSV. Nice GT350. Love the color, torch red. A couple other 5.0s. Man, that one's slammed. He's got the Boss 302 intake. And then look at this one. Lord.
yeah, so if it's not, then I don't think we should go.
More vets, guys. More vets. Nice Z06 C6. That thing was chopping when we were coming in. C4. And you can see the lineup. Nice Supra. We got the hood open on Roel's whip. Got that nice blower lid.
Yeah, man, she was racing out of the park.
Oh, we got a nice C601 coming in. Oh Lord, it's chopping. It's chopping. Oh my God. Almost didn't get this beauty, but so we got the people over here, and we got a few more coming this way. Oh my God. Loud noises. So we're gonna do a little photo shoot right here. I'll put the drone up, get some more shots, and we'll just get some cool little shots of us. Oh boy. So yeah, we're about to put this drone up, about to get these shots, and we'll call it. right, guys, so pretty much that was the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I did get the drone stuck in a tree, and that's probably why y'all saw it freaking just crash and sputter, and the video went crazy. But we're going home now. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. And appreciate it, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.